Hello all, this is Ramu. Welcome to EduTech. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the measurement. What we use to measure the things, what we use to measure the weight of the object, length of the object, or dimension of the object, or time. We know that we use a weighing machine to weigh the weight of the object or mass of the object. We use a meter scale to measure the length of the or dimension of the object. We use a watch to measure the time, right? We measure the mass in kgs. We measure the dimensions in meter or centimeter. We measure the time in second, minute or hours. We use different things to measure the quantities. The act of measuring the quantity is called measurement. Quantity. What is the quantity here? Quantity means size, amount or magnitude. Simply how much, how long, how many. Quantity are the two types. One is physical quantity. The quantity which are the measurable are called physical quantity. For example, mass, time, speed, velocity, force, work, these all are measurable. So these all are the physical quantities. Physical quantity, two types. One is basic physical quantity, other one is supplementary physical quantity. Again, basic physical quantities are seven types: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Other one is a supplementary physical quantity. These are the two types. One is a plane angle, other one is a solid angle. Now non-physical quantity. A physical quantity which are non-measurable, which we cannot measure. For example, love, affection, emotions. We cannot measure these things, right? So these all are under the non-physical quantity. To measure this physical quantity, we require measurement, right? So that measurement must be same throughout the universe, and it is a standard unit. We measure the mass in kgs. So kg is the same throughout the universe. So kg is a standard unit. It cannot change. Or we measure in grams. If you have the 1 gram or 50 grams of the object, it is the same throughout the universe. So it is a standard unit. And we measure the masses in grams. Dimension of the object. The dimension of the object we measure in meters or centimeters. Meter or centimeters are the smallest measurement, and these are same throughout the universe. So these do not change with the time or place or temperature. So the meter or centimeters are units. Similarly, time we measure in hours or minute or seconds. The second is smallest measurement, and this is a standard unit. So the standard measurements are called unit, and these units are do not change with the place, time and temperature, so we called standard units. Here units are the four types. We call four system of the units. British system or FPS system. So F is foot, pound, second. French system, CGS system. So centimeter, gram and second. Third one is a metric system or MKS system. MKS system. Meter, kilogram, second. International system or SI system. So this international system or SI system are two types. One is a basic unit or supplementary unit. Basic unit again 7 type. Basic unit: meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, candela, mole. And supplementary unit: radian and steradian. So there are the 7 basic unit and 2 supplementary units. Basically, there are the 2 types of the units. One is a fundamental unit, other one is a derived unit. Fundamental unit, a unit which is do not depends upon the other unit, or a unit which is independent. A derived unit is which is depends upon the other unit, or a unit which is derived from the other units or derived from the fundamental units. For example, all basic unit are the fundamental unit because this basic unit do not depends upon the any other unit, and the remaining units are the derived unit. For example, velocity. Velocity equal to displacement by time, right? The displacement is measured in length, and the unit of the length is meter by second. Meter by second. Meter is a basic unit, and the second also basic unit, and these unit of the velocity is meter per second or meter per second. So the meter per second is derived unit because it is derived from the basic unit. One more example: work. So work equal to force into displacement. So force into displacement. We know that force is a mass into acceleration into displacement. Mass into, we know acceleration is velocity by time, and into displacement. Right? We know that velocity is displacement by time. So mass into displacement by time. Again time, right? It's became time square into displacement. So finally, mass measured in kg and displacement is in length. We call a meter, and this is also into meter and whole by second square. So kg meter square by second square is the unit of the work. And we call this is as Newton second. Sorry, Newton meter, and this is equal to joule. So the unit of the work is kg meter square by second square or Newton meter or joule. Kg meter square by second square is derived from the base unit, or we call fundamental unit. So the unit of the work is derived unit. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.